how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your AirPod, Apple AirPod, if one side is not charging. So you can see this AirPod is connected here. My left side is working, but the right side there is no signal, nothing at all. The case has full charging, so it's not working. So what we do, I leave the phone here. We can take out and check one by one. If I take this out and put back, I don't see any light. If I take this out and put back, this is moving. So this side is working. Put back, see light. Take this out, this one. This side has a problem, as we confirm. And I put it back. I see only green light, no movement. Now put back again. You see, it's not doing anything. So this AirPod has a problem. So this side, this AirPod has a problem. We take this out. Few things you have to check. First thing, you have to check your charger. Check the charging cable. Check your charger properly. Your case is properly charging or not. If I connect with a power source, this one, so it's green light, take this off and I put back to see it's charging properly or not. Close the case, and in my phone I go here, Bluetooth setting, go inside, you see here Bluetooth setting, go inside Bluetooth setting, connect, tap here and put back both of them here. You see up here, so my case has 93% charge, so case doesn't have any problem. Now we'll go to the real problem, real culprit. We can do something. We open this one, should be open as this. We leave here and we can do a hard reset. Same time we'll see if anything happen or not. Here we have a factory reset button at our AirPod. Any version doesn't matter, most of them they have. We have to hold this one, press and hold long times till this light changes. Same time we can see there, let's see, I am holding, don't let it go. I see white light blinking, to wait till some orange light appear. I'm holding long time. Ten seconds. I let it go now. Let's see here. Here's appear my AirPod to connect. This one. Put here. Connect as a new AirPod. It's connecting. Let's see. Continue. So after reconnecting, it's still the same problem. One of them is not detected. So some problem is there, some physical issue there. So we have done hard factory reset, it still not fixed the problem. Now we can go here directly, this one. Take this off, both of them together. This side you have to blow. Let's see inside. Sometimes the connector, you see much dirty inside. So connector, this at the edge of the connector is not connecting properly to charge. So you have to blow some air inside with your mouth, for example as this. Little bit strong blow you have to put inside harder. After that, can use, if it's possible, a earbud, clean all. Clean everything, clean inside, using earbud to clean every dot I have. Try to clean all. You can use also some brush as this if you have. Put the brush inside and move gently both sides, and everything clean. and put back here. Now you see, immediately I see some light here. You see orange light, before it wasn't there. I take this off, you see off now, and now I put back. You see the light is moving, so something has changed after cleaning. Put the back and close it. Wait for 2-3 minutes as this, so it will have some charge, and we'll be back. Here immediately I close, you see I see something. The other AirPod now is connected. You see here 83% charge automatically appear here. It's still I not charged properly, it has some charge but wasn't connected properly. AirPod in this case. Perfect. AirPod now is connected. And here you see, so one is 100%, another is 89%. And if I go inside, you see one is 100%, another is 89%. So this is fixed, guys. And in case if you don't know how you can check this one in iPhone, you have to go to Bluetooth setting here, tap the Bluetooth setting, go inside Bluetooth setting at the bottom. Then here you'll see your AirPod, go inside this option setting, there you'll have all the information. So this AirPod is fixed. So this is the way you can fix if your AirPods 231 is not charging. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.